So this is week 3, video number 2. So we've got to communicate that plan for that project or activity or whatever it was that you created in your planning worksheet. So how do you think the staff are going to feel about your proposed directive, your goal, your SMART goal, that project? Do you think they're going to be happy with it? Do you think that it's going to rock the boat? Do you think that they're all going to be excited? What about the library board? And what about your partners in the community? So places like schools or, I don't know, service clubs. What about your library clients? Okay, so why do you think that? I want you to be thinking about it because it's a change. And a lot of times when we recommend or we make changes in a business environment, different user groups, different groups, our clients, internal people will all respond differently. And the same groups can have different responses. So some employees might be really excited. Maybe the example that I used was that Sheena's going to offer workshops for seniors on how to use their tablets. So Sheena might be really excited about that because it's a new activity for her. But maybe if the library has limited budget for delivering programming, somebody else who is delivering programming is going to have to stop delivering theirs, right? Because there's only so much staff time you can allocate to programming. And maybe the parent group then that was used to get programming for 2-year-olds, they're no longer going to get it. So how do you think they feel? So different groups are going to feel different about your changes. So this screen has some links to a video, and I hope you look at this one. It's only 1 minute. And it summarizes change management because there's different theories about how to implement changes in a business and do it successfully to make sure that people are on board, the change happens the way management wants it to happen, and the changes are welcomed and greeted and supported by as many parts of the community as possible. Okay, so and I also, you can see me with my Toronto Star in print format. There's an article here about how to deliver change. This is another video that takes that 1 minute video and expands it. It's Cotter's model of change. If you click on this, it's a longer video. But what I did is I did screen caps from the steps, which they talk about implementing if you want to effectively implement change. Okay, and this kind of summarizes it as well. So I'm going to stop here so you can be learning a little bit about change management. Go through those videos, pause, and watch them, and then we'll come back.